Hi there, students. Ingrained. Okay, an adjective. You can actually have a verb to ingrain as well. Okay, we use ingrained in two ways, but they're fairly similar. Firstly, we use ingrained to talk about beliefs, a belief that is really firmly held. This belief is so strong that it's not likely to change. So the many of the ingrained prejudices in society are not easy to correct. They're not easy to remedy. The idea that hard work is good for the soul is ingrained upon the British character. Yeah, it's deeply inside it. It's firmly established by long conditioning. It's deeply seated. Yeah, he has the ingrained habits of a lifetime, and these are not going to change. He has various fears that are deeply ingrained, deeply instilled, deep rooted. So his superstition is ingrained in his character. It's deeply rooted. We can also use ingrained to talk about dirt that's got under the surface of something and is very difficult to remove. So he worked for many years as a mechanic, and the oil had become ingrained in his hands. It was under the skin. Yeah, the oil had become ingrained under his skin. Ingrained dirt. Yeah, the carpet was full of ingrained dirt, worked deeply into the texture or the fiber of something. Okay, so ingrained, it's got right to the bottom of it. But I think we use ingrained mostly to talk about beliefs, attitudes, habits, that they are so established that they are difficult to change. Very often the phrase deeply ingrained. Being polite is something that's ingrained into the British character. Yeah. Saying thank you is a deeply ingrained habit. Okay, so ingrained, an element present in the being of a thing, fixed or firmly established, inherent, bred in the bone. Yeah, maybe inveterate as well. Okay, so ingrained. You need to practice speaking English until the phrases become ingrained in you and you don't actually have to think about them. Okay, so ingrained, really deeply established, deeply seated, deep rooted. He has an ingrained fear of spiders. His morals or his moral system is deeply ingrained, deep-seated, deep-rooted, fundamental, inherent, yeah, in the blood, intrinsic, yeah, something indelible. Okay, so ingrained. How formal is this adjective ingrained? I think I would give it a 6 in formality, but I think you could use it in an informal conversation, so use it anywhere. And then as to the origin, well, it comes from the idea of ingrain, which comes from French, engrain, and I think in French you have the phrase dyed in the grain. Yeah, the word grain itself comes from Latin granum, a seed, from Proto-Indo-European grinum, meaning grain again. Okay, so something's deeply ingrained. It's ingrained in his character. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I hope the meaning of this word becomes ingrained in your mind. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ingrained.